Strapping Products, a world-class manufacturer and supplier of strapping and strapping machinery, is proud to bring you the AutoPac 300 Arch Strapper, an economically priced quality strapper for a broad range of applications. The AutoPac 300 utilizes a time-tested strapping head to produce a strapping machine that is fast, consistent, and reliable. Utilizing economical 3/8 or half-inch polypropylene strapping, the AutoPac 300 operates at speeds up to 30 straps per minute, making it ideal for moderate to high-volume strapping applications. To load the AutoPac 300, place the strapping properly on the dispenser. Thread the strap through the brake arm, then turn the strap and thread it through the second roller and into the strap guide. Depress the feed lever and push the strap in about an inch and press the green reset button. The strap will automatically load. Easy to follow loading instructions are printed on the side of the machine. The AutoPac 300 comes standard with 3 different activation methods. You can simply press the start button or depress the standard foot pedal. Strapping can also be activated automatically with the photocell installed in the tabletop. The photocell can be programmed to apply one strap when activated or to strap continuously. All AutoPac 300 models are equipped with anti-jamming technology, which corrects missed straps without operator assistance. If the package is misaligned or pulled out of the strapper prematurely, the AutoPac 300 will simply recycle and is immediately ready for the next strap. To clean the machine, simply remove the top and clean the strapping head and tracks with compressed air. The AutoPac 300 requires no additional routine maintenance and no lubrication. The versatile AutoPac 300 is available in several configurations and a broad range of arch sizes. In addition to the standard bottom seal unit, it is also available in a side seal unit, in both a paint and finish, and in a complete stainless steel model for washdown environments. It can also be configured as a fully automatic, operatorless model with an integrated conveying system with or without compression. All AutoPac 300 models are supported by one of the best warranties in the industry, prompt replacement parts availability, and an expansive network of PAC factory-trained service technicians. The PAC AutoPac 300, your value choice in strapping machines.